Hi Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome back to your finances and general guidance energy reading for the month of July 2021 with me, Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, okay Gemini, so let's get into your finances and your general guidance and energy reading for the month of July. Also, Gemini, please know that this is a collective general energy reading. Therefore, it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Gemini, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Okay, so let's start with your reading here, Gemini, regarding your finances and your general guidance for the month of July. Now I've got the Justice energy coming up here. I've also got the Four of Cups energy coming up for you here, Gemini. So I'm going to start with the Justice energy first here. I'm getting two major scenario happening for you here, Gemini. So the first one here is that there are a group of you here, I would say, that are waiting for some sort of like a legality, some sort of like a legal system or legal issue to come into fruition, to just complete, I would say here, to just come into a completion, where I feel like you might be getting some money from that here. So this could be talking about child support, or just like maybe some sort of like a legality issue that is going to give you some money is what I'm getting coming up for you here, Gemini. And then another thing that I've got coming up is that with this Four of Cups energy, I feel like I've been waiting for quite a while for this particular verdict. You have been waiting for quite a while here for you to be getting this money coming up onto your life here. So that's one thing that I've got here. Now for the majority of you here, Gemini, with this Justice energy and the Four of Cups here, I'm getting a very strong of a long awaited money is finally going to come onto your life here. I feel like there is some sort of like a money that are supposed to come to you, but for some reason I'm getting a very strong delay energy here. So with this Justice energy coming up here, you're finally going to get a blessing. You're finally going to get that abundance coming up onto your life here. I've also got the Ace of Wands energy coming up here as well. So this is definitely going to be creating a very strong new beginning energy coming up for you. So I feel here, Gemini, that before this month and you're definitely going to get that money that you've been waiting for here. You're definitely going to get that financial blessings that you've been waiting for here as well. Now, another thing that I've got coming up here is that for you here, Gemini, like I said before, with this page of, like I said before, regarding some sort of like a child support or something to do with the kids is what I'm getting coming up here, honestly here, Gemini. So again, with this Justice and the Page of Cups energy here, so I feel like some of you here have been waiting for some sort of like a child support money to come to you, or just like some sort of like a money coming up towards you here. And then another thing that I've got coming up for you here, Gemini, is that there are some ideas or there are some opportunities. I'm so sorry you got cut, Gemini. So apart from the legality here, apart from child support energy, another thing that I've got coming up for you here, Gemini, is that there is going to be some sort of like a new ideas and new opportunity that will be making their way towards you. But I feel like this particular new ideas or new opportunity that will be coming up towards you here, Gemini, might not be as big as you're expecting it to be. But just because it's not going to be as big as you're expecting it to be here does not mean that you need to ignore it. I feel like that if you invest your time and your energy and your talent into it here, these new opportunities or this new idea, which is just like quite small in the beginning, can grow into something, like a huge blessings, and going to give you the financial stability and financial success into the future here as well. And then another thing that I've got coming up for you here, Gemini, here I've got the Fool energy coming up. So this is also talking about, this is the time for you here to make the decision. This is the time for you here to decide within yourself. Are you going to be embracing these new opportunities? Are you going to be embracing these new ideas that are coming up into your life here? Or what is it that you're going to do? Are you still going to be keep on waiting is what I'm getting here. Another thing that I've got coming up for you here, Gemini, with this moon energy, I feel like the upcoming new moon and the upcoming full moon is going to be quite significant for you here as well. So I feel like during those two time frames here, you're going to get a lot of new ideas, you're going to get a lot of new opportunities coming up towards you here. Now, looking into the challenges and the blockage that I'm getting coming up for you here, I've got patience. Pause before you take action. Trust that divine timing is at work. Be patient and play while you wait. So the main challenge or the main struggle that you have within yourself here throughout this particular month is about the patient. Like I said before, there is something that I've been waiting for quite a while here. I feel like a little bit more waiting that needs to happen. Like I said, either the new moon or the full moon is going to be quite significant. The full moon is going to happen towards the end of the month, so you might be need to wait. For some of you, I would say here, might need to wait until the full moon season comes in. But whatever it is here, like whatever you've been waiting for here, Gemini, this is the month that you're finally going to get it. This is the month that you're finally going to achieve it here, especially when it comes into your finances. So a little bit of patience is definitely needed here, but don't let it what I'm getting here is that while you are waiting here, Gemini, don't let it making you feeling stressful. Don't let it making you feeling anxious, because with all of these new ideas and new opportunities that are coming up onto your life, I feel like it's also the time for you to now look at into yourself. What is it that you've been wanting to do? What is it that you've been wanting to put up your energy into here, I would say. So focus on that here as well. Now, the spirit guides message or the guidance message that I've got coming up for you here, I've got abundance. So a huge confirmation here that abundance is definitely going to come into your life here. Like there is no doubt that this month of July here is going to be full of abundance for you here, Gemini. Enjoy the bounty of life. Your supply is unlimited. Blessings are coming to you. Blessings are coming to you. Abundance are coming towards you here, and there is nothing going to delay it, I would say here. This is the month that all of this abundance and all of these blessings are going to finally come to you here, Gemini. And like I said before, this is something that you have been waiting for quite a while here. So no more waiting, no more delay is what I'm getting here. Now, another thing that I've got coming up for you here regarding the guidance message here, I've got polarity coming up here as well. Integrate your shadow side. There can be no light without dark. Understand the law of polarity. So I feel like this is also going hand in hand with this patient energy. I feel like, of course, for everyone here, saying to be patient is definitely easier than doing it. So I can definitely understand the way that you're feeling here, Gemini, the frustration, the anxiety, just like the more that you wait, you might be asking yourself, you're like, how much longer do you need to wait here? But with this polarity energy and the patient energy coming up together here, is that you need to come into that acceptance here, Gemini, that yes, it may take a little bit of while here, but do not let that make you feel stressful. Do not let that make you feel, like anxious, or making you feel that you are just not in balance. So this is also another thing that you need to be focusing on here. So that's it for your reading here, Gemini, on your finances and on your general guidance here. Wonderful energy, blessings and abundance are definitely coming towards you this month here, Gemini. So enjoy that. And if this message resonates with you, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye-bye.